We are pleased to show you the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, rain sensing wipers. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.